Hi guys, I'm going to share with you how I built the match game that we're going to do in class today. So this is Notebook, which is the Smart Notebook software. I've saved this particular notebook file as Song Person Match. And then I'm going to go into this icon. There's lots of different icons up here that I want to encourage you to explore. The one I'm using for today is this gallery. There's actually a ton of stuff that's built into Notebook that's pretty cool. So if you go into gallery, then you can use search terms. I'm just going to put one in that's called match. Now there's lots of things that came up for match, and they are in folders, interactive and multimedia, notebook files, and pages. I'm just kind of exploring through there, but what I want to look for is an image match. I did a teal one for the other one, but I'm going to do purple for this. So let's see, I'm just dragging this in. This is only a color preference here. So that's what this looks like. It's a document that has 2 images right now, but I can click here to edit, okay? So I'm going to say I want 5 images, all right? So it's going to give me a bunch of different images and then some text. I want to match your names to pictures of the songs that you like. So what I'm doing is I have a document up in Microsoft Word here that shows me what songs you guys liked, and then I'm using that to search for images. So I'm going to look at this one, I Dare You to Move by Switchfoot, and I'm going to go into my, let's see, I'm going to close that. All right, I Dare You to Move Switchfoot. Okay, then that's going to come up, and then, oh, I don't want to find the lyrics. I wanted to actually just find an image, because most of these things, if they've been released as singles, probably have images. Let's see. Here we go. I Dare You to Move. So I'm going to copy this image, and I'm going to go into the back to the notebook, and I'm just going to paste it in here. So that's going to put this image here, but you see where it says drag image here, drag image here. I'm just going to drag it on top of one of these, and it's going to put it in there. Now I need to check to see which of you said that that was your favorite songs. And I'm going to go back to my Moodle, and I'm pretty sure it might have been Kiki. Let's see. Yep, okay, so then I'm going to put Kiki's name here, okay? So then I'm going to do this for the other folks who came in. So the next one is Titanium or Turn Me On, David. So I'm just going to go for, let's see which comes up for David Guetta. All right, David, whoops, I'm going to do it. I want to keep that window open. David. And then we'll see which images come up. Which was the one that this person liked? Titanium or Turn Me On. Let's see. Let's just do a search for Titanium. All right, there we go. So I'm going to grab this, copy image, go over to my, all right, and then I'm going to drag this in here. There we go. And whose was this? Let us check. I'm guessing that it's Yessie because I did these alphabetically. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. I'm going to type Yessie. Okay, and let's see who we're missing. I think we had about 10. Colby, Kyla, Bubbly. I'm probably mispronouncing some of these names. My apologies. Okay. And then there's some pictures of Colby Kyla, and let's see, Bubbly. Okay, maybe Kayat, maybe if she's French, if it's a French name. All right, Bubbly. Okie doke, Bubbly, there we go. And copy, and paste, and drag, and whose was that? That was probably Sarah's. Sarah's. Okay, I'll put Sarah here. And let's see who we're missing. Who Says by Selena Gomez. Okay. All right, and there we go. Copy. I'm getting the rhythm of this, so I'm just going to paste this in here, drag the image over here, and type in whose it was. Sarah. Yep. So, Sarah. And then I think we just have one more from the people who got it in on time. Let's see. We actually have 2 people who like Wanted by Hunter Hayes, so that's kind of cool. Girl on Fire, Alicia Keys. Let's put that one in there. Oops. And image. I know that's the name of her album too, so that will be lots of pictures of that. All right, and go in here, paste, and who was that? Let's find out. I think that was Pa. Maybe it was Cassie. We'll see. Yep, Pa. Okay, although Cassie also liked Hunter Hayes. So maybe what I'm going to show you is, I'm going to put that there. Now, what's cool is that when I just say OK, it's going to switch these up. So that when I go to match these, if I say that this one goes here, and I'm not remembering really each one, but if I say that this one goes here, and Yessie, and Sarah, and then I do check, I got them all wrong. But if I solve them, that's where they're supposed to go. So that's pretty cool. So now I'm actually going to save this, and I'm going to go back to the one I did before, because indicate Wanted. So I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to say OK. I'm going to go back to Edit, and I'm going to put and Cassie. Andrea. Whoops, what is that? Or Cassie. All right, OK. So, and then I'm going to save. And that's how you do an image match in Smart Notebook.